Hey guys, this is Peter Real God. Today I'm gonna talk about muscle cars. Um, when I get older, I want a Ford Mustang GT 500. Um, because my um fella, my best friend, Yo Gunner, keeps yelling at me for this bullcrap. So if I don't do my YouTube video now and upload it, I'm gonna have to hear him all over again. So just on to it. But anyways, yeah. So make sure you subscribe to me. Um, and uh, I got make sure you punch the subscribe button on the bottom, and make sure you guys write me something about what is your favorite muscle car: Barracuda, Charger, Mustang, or Chevelle. Um, but anyways, I just want to let you know. Make sure you subscribe to me. Alright, and bye.